Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful people. Season's greetings. I trust that everyone is having a wonderful day today. Guys, thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. My name is Dwight, and it's a great pleasure to have you here today. So, guys, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. And if you're returning, welcome back. So, today we're going to be listening to a song by Greta Van Fleet. Guys, Candlelight Sessions. And the name of that song is Tears of Rain, and it's live. My God, I'm excited to see how this one goes. Wow, guys, just a name alone, Tears of Rain, sounds so beautiful. Guys, this is my first time listening to Van Fleet, and I really don't know what it's about, but guys, I am excited. Alright, so before we go to that video, I would like you to take some time, to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and your family. You might just make somebody's day. Alright, guys, so without further ado, let's listen to this song with me, guys, and dive right in. Greta Van Fleet. Candlelight Session.
The planet is still burning, and the faces are still burning, and the mothers with their children share for the rest.
Vocals range. This is beautiful.
Drifting through the blades before us, as it turns to dust before our eyes. Pleading for a God to pour us. Sister,
All right. I had to pause this here. Now, discovering this band, guys, is the best thing that have ever happened to me. Wow. This is beautiful. Guys, I am going to bring this back, and let's take that from here. My word. And the crazy thing, guys, his vocal range, he has to use no falsetto, and this is beautiful. Wow. Guys, let's continue watching.
before our eyes. Pleading for a God to pour us. Just a little bit of rain from an empty sky.
This is amazing.
And the planet is still turning, and the faces are still burning, and the mothers with their children share for the
Wow, guys, this is breathtaking. Wow.
Bring the rain.
Oh my god. So beautiful. My god, man. I hope you guys enjoy that. You know, this is my first time hearing from these guys, and I fell in love with the music, man. That is absolutely stunning. You know, and the crazy thing is, guys, he's not even using, you know, the falsetto to hit those high notes. Wow, that's just amazing and beautiful vocal range. His vocal range is out of this world. You know, this song just makes me want to burst into tears, guys. You know, from an overwhelming, indescribable feeling, guys. Wow, I don't know how many of you guys felt this, listen to the song for the first time. And guys, I'm definitely gonna dig down that rabbit hole. I literally just found out about them, and you know, I'm freaking, guys, obsessed. Guys, I will be listening to the song over and over for today. You know, don't care now who they sound like. I don't even want to mention who they sound like. I'm not even going to say it, but I just love them. Yes, totally respect the roots and what they do. It's amazing. Something about this song is just on a whole other level, man. I don't know, man. Something about this song. Yes, guys. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Hope you enjoyed the song, guys. Please, if you do, don't forget to support the channel, like, subscribe, and share. And I'm going to leave the original link down in my description so you guys can go and take a look. Alright, so my beautiful people, feel free to engage with the audience. Leave your suggestions. You know, this is what we're all about on the channel. Alright, see you back. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Season's greetings. Stay safe out there, guys. And don't forget, share the love, not the hate. Peace out. Till next time. I love y'all.